Napadi v Bruslju so bili zadnja predstavitev terorja in tiranije Islamske države. Zakaj njihova znamka radikalizma tako privlači in kako jih lahko zaustavimo, preden bodo običajni muslimani plačali ceno? Na seminarju v Evropskem parlamentu so se združili politiki in muslimanski miselni forum.
The rise of Islamophobia plays into the narrative of ISIS and Daesh. Because that's exactly what they want. They want some of the Muslims to feel that they're not part and parcel.
Radikalizacija mladih muslimanov se ni začela z vojno v Siriji. Nekdanji islamist nam je zaupal svojo zgodbo.
The killing of white, blonde, blue-eyed Muslims in Bosnia troubled me deeply. And not seeing governments respond to that made me think that the way to combat the difficulty in Bosnia and the Balkans by extension was to get involved with extremist Islamist organizations. It took me a few years to realize that by gathering on streets and mobilizing and creating noise and calling for jihad, you don't necessarily see an end to conflict, but it's by engaging with the democratic process.
We need to invest in our young people, because if we don't invest in them, there are others out there that are clearly investing in them. There's an appetite for revolution, and our young people want to join a revolution. Let's get them to join a revolution that we've designed for good.
Se lahko revolucija doseže? Na konferenci je bil sprejet sklep. Dialog je ključnega pomena za zaustavitev ideologije, s katero se uničuje islamska vera.